Welcome to Affordable Classics here in Gladstone, Oregon. Here you're looking at a 1973 Plymouth Sebring Plus. That's a 340. It's kind of a road runner tribute. Nice stock wheels. Nice hood. Lip molding's very nice. The little rubber here, black. The vinyl top, excellent condition. They put a little spoiler for that look. Nice chrome bumper, dual exhaust. With the 5-mile bumper guards, all the glass, pretty nice. There again, door panels, correct. Oh, they put a dash cover. We could take it off real quick and show. Headliner, pretty nice. Here you go. Here you're looking at a 340 V8. A lot of horsepower, power steering. Data plates all lets you know what the original engine, all the right stuff, all mirrors. VIN number, the interior is pretty clean. Here again, no rips, no tear. They put a nice little tack. Only 2 cracks on the dash, that's why they had the cover. Trunk, hey look, real spare. All the right stickers. All the right stuff. It's a nice little 73 Plymouth. The best part, just get in, turn the key,